Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving look for you guys. I asked on Insta stories and just about all of you said you wanted to see one. So this is what I did for you. I did a cut crease and I love the way that it turned out. I'm telling you, ever since I learned the trick on how to easily do a cut crease, it is life-changing. Like, you will see it in this video. I'm not going to ramble on about how I do it because I'm going to show you. But anyway, for this look, I'm using mostly the Urban Decay Heat palette, and the shimmer is from this Natasha Denona palette. This is the eyeshadow palette number 5, palette 10. I don't know if any of that means anything to you, but I guess if you want to buy the palette, that's what it is. I got this last holiday, so I don't know if they still have it. I'll link it down below if they do though. But anyway, this is what I did. So I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything this dramatic for Thanksgiving for myself because I'm just going to my grandma's living room. But I'm really excited to show you guys how I did this. And also, Kylie Cosmetics is now at Ulta. It happened this week, and so I knew that I needed to go and get one of the lip colors because I've never tried anything from Kylie Cosmetics, and so I picked up one of the velvet lip colors in Boy Bye, and it's just such a pretty color, like gorgeous. It goes with this look really, really well, so I was excited to use it for you guys, and I actually really like the formula. So anyway, all of that said, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.